Welcome to Tech Vibes. If your laptop screen suddenly shows vertical lines or horizontal lines, do not panic. In most cases, this problem is repairable without replacing the full laptop. As a technician, I will guide you step by step exactly how we diagnose and fix this issue in real workshops. First, understand one thing clearly. Lines on the screen can come from three main sources: the LCD panel itself, the display cable, or the graphics section. Step 1. External display test. Connect your laptop to an external monitor or television using HDMI or VGA cable. If the external screen shows perfect picture with no lines, your GPU is healthy. This confirms the problem is inside the laptop display section, either the LCD panel or the display cable. If the external display also shows the same lines, the issue is GPU or motherboard related. That repair is advanced and may require professional service. Step 2. Check movement reaction. Slowly open and close the laptop lid while the screen is on. If the lines change position, flicker, disappear, or increase, this is a strong sign of a loose or damaged display cable. In workshop repair, this is one of the most common causes. Step 3. Reseat the display cable. Power off the laptop completely. Disconnect the charger and battery if removable. Open the back cover carefully. Locate the display cable connection near the motherboard. Disconnect it gently and reconnect it firmly. Also check the cable connection behind the LCD panel if accessible. Many line problems are solved at this stage. Step 4. Color test for panel fault. Boot the laptop and display solid colors like white, red, green, and blue. If lines stay visible on all colors and never change, the LCD panel pixels are damaged. Step 5. Pressure test warning. Do not press the screen hard to fix lines. Temporary disappearance means internal panel damage. Pressure can worsen the crack inside the LCD layers. Step 6. Software elimination. Boot into BIOS or UEFI menu. If lines appear even in BIOS screen, this confirms a hardware issue. No driver, no operating system problem. Final advice from technician. Display cable issues are affordable and repairable. LCD panel line faults are not repairable, only replaceable. GPU-related line issues require motherboard-level repair. If this guide helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes. This is real technician knowledge, not internet myths.